the cues are always the same, and he doesn't know why, and he doesn't know why he can't just be normal and get out of bed and go to work like everybody else does.
I didn't even know anything about FASD. I had never heard of it, never had any concern. I was unaware I was pregnant till I was 3 months pregnant. But I also didn't know I wasn't supposed to drink while I was pregnant. When he was born, I was just thrilled he had 10 fingers, 10 toes, and everything was working. I had no idea that there was a possible brain injury. We went through his entire adolescence, everything, without knowing, without trying to figure out why. He just wasn't understanding. And it wasn't until Scott was 18 that he was actually diagnosed.
All of a sudden, I don't hear from him for 3 days. It's because he hasn't gone to work for 3 days, and he's embarrassed.
Yeah, it was very difficult to come to terms with what I had done. If it would have been in a poster in my doctor's office, if it would have been in a restaurant on a poster like that is now, I'd at least thought about it. I was devastated. My guilt was almost unbearable. I messed it up right from the very beginning, right from the get-go. He didn't have a platform to even play the game fair.
He's hesitant about the diagnosis because it's bad news.
It's not a particular race or age or education. I'm outside of all of those.
So he doesn't necessarily want to be supported, but also understands that he struggles and he needs to be supported.
I'm compelled to share my story for the Scotts and for their mothers and their siblings and their aunts and their uncles and their cousins and the stranger on the street. I want people to understand that these are choices that someone else made and they are suffering. I drank while I was pregnant. This could happen to anybody. It happened to me.